Join me as I try to test out Elon Musk's Jetson Thor and see how it really revolutionizes the future. Elon Musk, the visionary CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, has always had a flair for the dramatic, but his latest venture, the Jetson Thor, might just be his most ambitious project yet. Imagine a world where transportation is faster, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before. That's the promise of the Jetson Thor, and it's an idea that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and travel. Traditional transportation methods are broken. We all know it. Traffic congestion, air pollution, and frustration are just a few of the many drawbacks of our current transportation system. But what if I told you there was a way to travel at speeds of over 300 miles per hour while producing zero emissions and reducing traffic congestion to almost zero? Sounds like a pipe dream, right? But that's exactly what the Jetson Thor promises. The current state of transportation is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, with the average American spending over 40 hours per year stuck in traffic. And it's not just the environment that suffers. Our mental and physical health takes a hit too. Long commutes and stressful travel experiences can lead to increased anxiety, decreased productivity, and a lower quality of life. It's clear that something needs to change. The Jetson Thor is the answer to our transportation prayers. This electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL, is designed to be faster, cleaner, and more efficient than traditional modes of transportation. With its sleek design and advanced technology, the Jetson Thor is capable of carrying passengers at incredible speeds while producing zero emissions and reducing noise pollution. So, what makes the Jetson Thor so special? For starters, its eVTOL design allows it to take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for runways and reducing its environmental footprint. It's also incredibly quiet, thanks to its advanced electric propulsion system. And with its advanced autonomous navigation system, the Jetson Thor can travel at incredible speeds while maintaining unparalleled safety. But it's not just about the technology. The Jetson Thor is also designed to be a luxurious and comfortable travel experience. Imagine being able to travel from Los Angeles to San Francisco in under an hour while enjoying a smooth and quiet ride. It's the ultimate in convenience and luxury. I still remember the first time I saw the Jetson Thor unveiled. It was a moment that will be etched in my memory forever. The crowd was on the edge of their seats as Elon Musk took the stage, a confident smile spreading across his face. And then, in a flash of light, the Jetson Thor was revealed in all its glory. It was a moment of pure theater, and it left us all speechless. The reaction was overwhelming. Social media was flooded with excited tweets and Instagram posts, and the tech community was abuzz with excitement. It was clear that the Jetson Thor was something special, something that had the potential to change the game. The Jetson Thor is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a symbol of what's possible when human ingenuity and innovation come together. It's a reminder that, even in the darkest of times, there is always hope for a better future. So what do you think about the Jetson Thor? Are you as excited as I am about the potential of this revolutionary new technology? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the future of transportation, be sure to check out our video on the top 5 futuristic transportation technologies that will change the world. Thanks for watching.